Okay, we're gonna play about the classifying, okay, the buttons, okay. The winner will be the person who gets the buttons most, who will get most buttons, okay. But if you put the buttons on like that on the chart, you need to make sure how to fill up with the buttons. Someone can shout like 2 by 2, then you need to fill the chart, okay, with your buttons. But you have to make sure what kind of colors, what kind of sizes, or what kind of shape you want. Okay, your turn. You can shout any of
4 by 6.
4 by 6. Putting the buttons to classify by shapes for each row, right? So I can have this territory, right, Danu? I have not enough.
Then use the squares.
You scared? Then I cannot get this territory, you know?
Look, 2 squares and look, 5 squares.
Okay. I will replace with these squares. Oh yeah. Oh, can you see my territory? I've got 4 by 4, right? Okay, it's my turn. Yeah, you got just only 1 by 1. All right.
다 가져가야지.
Yeah. So this is all for mine. And would you please put these pieces instead of mine? Yes.
어디야?
From 27 and 60. Oh, these are all mine. Okay, my turn. Would you please put your button on the chart of 2 by 4? I mean 2 by 5. By 5.
One by 2.
1 by 2. 1 by 2. Yeah, here. 1 by 2. This is mine.
마르겠다.
Your thumb. 2 by 1. 2 by 1. That's right. Okay, then you will get 2 counters. Cool. You see my shape like this? Whoa. And here too, I have very unique design. I have very unique. It looks like a Dano. It looks like a, what do we call it? Pentaminal? Then let's count. How many counters?
In all.
Yeah, in all. For each, okay? Okay, then it's easy because we have the counters, so we can calculate with these blocks. Before making that, you need to make sure how many counters you have now, and let's compare whether who will be winner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 5 and 2 ones. 7 groups of 5 equals 35.
F blah blah.
And 2 ones. So I have 37 blocks. And I will start to make something
blah, blah.
good one. Okay.
I'm making 4 by 4 by 4.
1 by 1 and 2 by 2 and what? 3 by 3.
No, you mean 1 by 1 by 1, 2 by 2 by 2, because it's a cube.
2 by 2 by 2. Yes, that's right.
Because if it's 2-dimensional shapes, it's 4 by 4. But in 3-dimensional shape, you have to say 3 times. 4 by 4 by 4. Shape adventures. It says a cube has, a 3-dimensional shape has, you can see how wide and tall and long it is. But with a 2-dimensional shape, we can only see high and wide, not long. In the mind thinking, if you can see this is a
9.
square of 9.
999. Right,
Three
right.
nines.
27. 27. Yeah. That's right. That's correct. Wow, genius. Whoa. And that one could be not 444. So 3 fours could be. I mean, it's not 3 fours. It's 4
Four
by
fours.
4 by 4 by 4. So 4 fours. Then can be.
That equals to 4 16ths.
Hmm?
That equals to 4 15. I mean 16ths.
Ah, I got it. I calculated. Because we can imagine.
I know.
What could it be? 444. 4 by 4 by 4.
64.
That's right. Because 10 by 4 equals 40. And there's 6
I'll
by
talk about
4
mine first.
remains. Then 6 by 4 equals 24. And 10 by 4 equals 40. So 40 plus 24 equals 64. So the correct answer is 64, right, Danu?
I calculated that this way. I
How?
calculated if it's 4 16ths, I made a 40 with the 10th first.
Yeah, and then?
And then I count the sixes. Since it's 4 12s, I mean 4 sixes, 2 12. And if the 2 12s
Can be
left, get the 2 10s into the 40. And you got 60.
Mm-hmm.
And the last 2 2s are made it by 4. So 60 plus 4 equals 64.
Oh, it's totally different way from mine, right, Danu?
Yeah, I think about the number blocks.
Ah, but it's a little bit complicated than mine. But the answers are correct.
Right.
Yeah, yours and mine.